So this is it. This is the moment everybody's been waiting on. We're about to do the drawing for the giveaway Honda. I just got home about an hour ago. We're trying to get everything set up, get all the tickets outside. They didn't ship blowers with this Cash Cube deal, so we had one off my kid's slide. I'm going to run to my mom and dad's and pick another one up off another kid's slide. We're going to hook them up. I'm going to dump all the tickets in there. I'll jump in, we'll throw them all up, and we'll grab one out of the air, and that's going to be... So that was pretty nervous to do, and I didn't even have any tickets in there. So I can only imagine how everybody felt that actually had tickets in there. So the winning number is 782039. We looked the ticket number up. A guy named Mr. Jim won it. I'm not gonna give his last name, and I'm not gonna give his location unless he says it's okay. If he says it's okay, we're gonna make a big post about it and we'll tag him in it. But I wanna check with him because I don't wanna put anybody's personal information out there, especially on Facebook or Instagram, that don't want it on there. And if I remember correctly, this is kind of an older guy, and I think he had ordered a bunch of stuff for his son, so it's very possible he doesn't want his personal information on the website. So we'll play that by ear. We will try to video it when we go take and drop it off. Once again, it will kind of be up to him if he's okay with us actually videoing, like dropping it off and then riding off on it. So we'll have to play that by ear also. But I've been driving all day. I didn't get but like 2 hours of sleep last night when we left Bradenton, Florida. I'm about to jump inside. We're gonna try to edit this video real quick, get it posted, and I'm probably gonna crash for the night. So I appreciate everyone that entered, and we'll keep everybody updated on all the details and when we go drop it off.